let's check how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I think 19. Yes, yes. Okay, so now we can go through three company to have a look. Okay, how about the decisions they made? Okay, the decisions they made. Here. Here is so here is the price. Price for our product A should be sold out on market one by the price 2001 to 2122 2125. Okay, so this is the price they made. So this is the price they made. This is the price they made. This price they made. So this is a promotion. Okay, promotion. Okay, this promotion fees is for this is for market one. Okay, so this fees, promotion fees going to market one, and average share by the different product A, B, C, D, and D. Okay, so this is the price is going to market two, and it should be shared by the product A, B, C, D. Okay, in the different in the same market, in the same market. So this is same market two. Okay, so this is fee. So this fee is going to market three, promotion for market three, and each product A, B, C, and D they share. So that means 20,000 divided by 4. So that's a promotion fee for each product. For each product. Okay, so this is for that for market 4. So for this one, so this money is advertisement. Advertisement money is going to for product A, for product A. So this is for product A, for product A. So that means this money is divided by 4 is for market 1, product A, sell in market 1, in market 2, in market 3, in market 4. So our students understood that. So do we understand this? Okay, so this money is advertisement, is for product A that is sold in the different markets. Okay, market 1, market 4. So that means $35,000 divided by 4. So that's for product A in market 1. Okay, market 1. Okay. So this is for market 2, market 3, market 4. Okay, so this is 0. That means no advertisement for our product D. For our product D. Okay, so this is anyway, is this okay? How about so what's the name of this our company? Okay, so that's three company. Okay. So this is marketing things. This is for marketing things. Okay, if you are studying interests or marketing, so you must dealing with that very well, because 4PS strategy are using here. Why? Here is a place. Here is place. Okay, so this is internal area of Nepal. This is Nepal. Okay, maybe south area of Nepal. Maybe this is no Kathmandu. This is our capital. Okay, this is other place of Nepal. Okay, so this is India, China. Anyway, abroad. Okay, not domestic market. This is okay, abroad markets. Okay, market 3, market 4. Okay, or maybe Europe. Okay, maybe this is Europe, or maybe this is America. America. Okay, so that means the products be sold in the different areas. Okay, so totally our factory produce 4 types products: product A, product B, product C, and product B. Okay, so that means place price, products, and promotion. Okay, advertisement, according to our textbook, advertisement and promotions added together are called promotion. So promotion in our software are divided into two parts, promotion and advertisement. Okay, so that means the 4PS strategies of marketing are using in this area, Okay, now this is so now this is supply chain, transportation things. This is transportation things, okay. Product A, okay, produced in our factory so where is our factory? Factory is located in Kathmandu, in our capital. Okay, so after products produced, the products A, B, C, D will be sold out through transportation, maybe train or maybe truck or maybe airplane or maybe ships. Or anyway, we're using the different transportations to transport the products produced. So where is the production things? Production things is here. So where is the factory? Factory we pose in the Kathmandu. Okay. So our factory are located in the Kathmandu or in Kathmandu. 4 products are produced in Kathmandu. Okay. Now after production, after our products produced, they should be transported. They should be transported to the different areas. Okay. So this is okay. I just said this in our decision sheet. This is for operation management. This is for operation management. Okay. After products produced, okay, according to rules, computation rules, 75% products can be transported through transportation, through bus, through truck, through ship, through airplanes, any kind of transportation tools into the different markets, into the Kathmandu, okay, into the other parts of Kathmandu. And so this is domestic markets. And then we can also, because our products are very famous and international recognized, so our products can be sold out in Europe, and in Europe and into America. Okay, so that is four places which needs our products. The customers there, the customers in Kathmandu, the customers in other parts of Nepal, and the European peoples and American peoples, they like our products. So we need to transport the products produced through transportation things into the markets, into the different markets. Okay, but for different product, they should be made properly prices. Okay, I think the main idea. Do we understand what I'm talking in this software sort? Okay, I think the main idea is like that. Okay, so that means first we should familiar with what's going on. What should we do? So definitely very important things is like that. We must dealing with that. But for our 3 companies, you just copy the result. You have not make a decision. Okay. Now. Okay, so this is nice. So this is nice. Okay. Okay, because in this is a Q1, this is Q2, this is Q3, this is Q4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this 8 quarters, this is the given conditions because that means So that means this is 2019. This means 2020. So this means this is the summer, the spring of this year. Okay, our factory, our three company used to be controlled by government. That's the state-owned company. Okay, so everything is going okay same. Okay, our company, okay, go to here, three companies, capital companies, the measures, the breakers, okay, all the company, okay, all the company, okay, we have the same condition. Why? Why we have same condition? Because that's a given, that's a given condition. That's a given condition. Okay, so that's a given condition. So that means what? So that means so for each company in our this competition room, your previous competitions are totally same, But in quarter 9, in quarter 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, we go through market economy. That means in quarter 9, we are not going like the previously planning economy. We should do some things according to market requirement. Okay, so that's a change because this software is divided by Chinese. So in fact, this thing happened in China. Used to be our economies, a planning economy. But after that, after that, Chinese changed their style. Chinese changed their style. So that means we should go through the market. So we produce products. Why we produce products? Because the customers in Kathmandu, in other parts of
Because,
our Nepal.
because, because this can be put.
Yeah. Okay. Do you understand what I mean? Okay. So for our so each company, so that means okay, you are CEO, you are CFO, you are CHO. Okay, so that means you will not copy, do not copy the decision sheet by previously decision sheet. Do not copy the previous decision sheet. This is older. This is older style. This decision sheet is a winter. Last year's winter decision sheet. No good. No good. Because this planning no good. That is planning economy because no good. Because we are okay, we should use our resources. That means cash, machines, and the human resource management, I mean employer, be properly to produce more revenue, more to earn more net profit. Okay, but previous one, this is just the initial conditions. Give us some help, but we should go through by using the knowledge our faculty members, our textbooks giving. Okay, so that means that means you are doing decisions individually, but the previously decisions are same, are planning economy, are state-owned. So everything is doing according to government officials said. That's not very good. But after that, we should move to okay, we should go through the market economy. So that means in this in term 9, that means ninth quarter, okay, 9 quarters, the price we should okay reset up, okay, we should make by our own, okay. And the very important one is we should use our limited resource to produce more products we can. Okay, we can. Okay, for our term, for our three company. Okay, that's very good. That's very good. Okay, because you know they produce the product C, but they do not produce product D. Why? Because if you want to produce product D and product C, you must arrive product quality level. Okay, because at the moment it's just the quality level is just 0. Okay, and this one is also okay for pocket C is also quality level is 0. So if we want to produce pocket C, we must arrive to quality level 1, so the products C can be produced. So three companies, I think they make a good decision. They put 500,000 there because that's required. No, too much. You put too much because they just need 300,000. Now you put 500,000. Okay, so that's too much. Okay, okay, the CEO of three companies, would you please say something to us? Okay, CEO of three company, are you in this conference? Would you please come? Would you please open your voice and say something to us, to all of us? Why? Why you put 400,000 there? Because here they just told me just put 300,000 is good. That means you put too much. You should put 300,000 there. Okay. So about the company, the CEO company, the CEO of three company. So now I am opening your account, and so now we should to look at what's going on there, because yes, you put the data there is correct, because we want to produce product C. So that but according to the competition rule, 300,000 is enough, but now you put too much. Okay, for 500,000. So this is for this one. For this one is that okay? 500,000. If you want to produce product D, so that means you should put 500,000 there. So that means product D can be allowed to be produced. But in your quarter 9, you do not want to produce product D, so you do not put you did not put money, you did not put data here. That's correct. You put the data here. Your purpose is very clear. I want to produce product C. But according to the competition rule, you just need to put 300,000 there. Do you understand what I mean? Hello? Hello, are you there? The CEO of three company. You can
Yes,
open
sir.
your voice. So that means you put too much money there, okay? Because every penny is we should very carefully to spend, Okay, here you put too much. Okay, here you can see level 1, 100,000. Okay, but here if you want to read to level 2, that means you should put another 100,000. So that means you should just put 100,000. So that means your level, your quality level will arrive to level 2. Will arrive to level 2. Why I say that? So now let's check. Let's check the quarter 1. Let's check the quarter 1. Let's check the quarter 1. Okay. Let's check. Okay, you can see in quarter 1, that's a given condition. We have put money 100,000. So that means product A can be produced. We have put, because here you can see here because here they said the level 1, if you put 100,000, so the product A can be allowed to produce. So in our previous condition, we have put 100,000 already. And for product B, For product B, we have we have put the money there. Okay, so product D, so product B can be produced. So you can see level 1 for our product B. You just need to put 200,000 there. So that means you have put, because someone said because maybe some of you said no, I have not put data there, because I said start from quarter 1 to quarter 8, all the conditions, that's initial conditions, are supplied by Hekai. That means by supplied automatically by our software. What we need to do is just base it on the previous condition. This is previous condition, and we are making our own decision in term 9. Okay, now let's look at the first condition. You can see we just put R and D, just put this there, but we have not put our money to produce product C. Even if we want to produce product C, so we should have a look. Okay, we should have a look. Okay, how much money we need to pay. Okay, advance paid. Oh, no, here. Okay, here, if we want to produce product C, that means we need to put $300,000 there. But our initial condition is not giving that. So that means in start from quarter 1 to quarter 8. No, nothing. Product C and D, not. Okay, product C and D also not produced. They just produced product A and B. So, and also the level is just level 1. It's just level 1. That means 100,000 has paid, and research fees has paid. Here 200,000 has paid. So that means okay, in term 9, okay, in term 9, if we want to produce our product A, B, C, and D. Okay, so that means we just, according to the competition rule, we just need to put $100,000. Okay, so that means we can go through our level 2. Okay, here 200,000. So that means we just put $100,000. So because $100,000 plus $100,000 given in quarter 1, so that means we have paid research fees. So the total is arrived at 200,000. So that means our product A's quality increasing from level 1 to level 2. Okay. Now here, because we want to produce product B and C, so our R and D. So we have a look at. Okay, here. Okay, we just check term 1, quarter 1. We have paid $200,000 already. Already. So if we want to raise our product B quality, so that means we just need to put 150,000. That means 100. Okay. So do you understand what I mean? So this is correct data. This is correct data. Okay. So this is correct data. Okay. So okay. So everyone know what I mean? Everyone know what I mean? So this is correct. So this should be the correct time. So how about that? That's enough. No. So this is too much. So this should be according to here should be 300,000. Okay, so that's a correct thing. Okay, here because CEO of the company, they do not want to produce D, so they do not give in R&D, so that's okay. But in our experience, because in our competition, we just need to expand our scale, our company scale. So that means for our company 3, if possible, you can produce product D. You can produce product D. If you want to produce product D, you should put money research fees like that. Okay, so that means here product D can be produced. If you do not want to produce product D, so that's still R and D still level. Okay, level is level 1. Okay, so that's my
I have a
suggestions.
question.
Yeah.
So for the product B, you used R&D cost of 150,000, but the minimum should be 2,000, right? 200,000.
Yeah.
So we,
So you mean,
so for the second one,
yeah,
so for product B,
700,000.
it should be
Okay.
200,000, right? For to be in level 1,
Yes.
not 150,000. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. No. Level 1 has been given. Level 1 has been given, so the product B can be produced. I just show you. They have given already. They have given already. Okay, so that product A and B can be allowed to produce, and you can check that. You can check that. Okay, you can check that. Still you can see no R and D produced, because 100,000 has given, so that means product A can be produced, product B can be produced. Okay, because 200,000 has been given. But if, in my opinion, if you paid nothing, if you R and D, if you just still zero, if just still zero, just zero, like that, product A and B can be produced, but the level is still level 1. That means 5% bad products will be produced. If we raise our quality level, that means we decrease the bad products level. Now it's still 5% bad product level. Just the qualified products just 95%. So that means, yes, you can still put 0 here. Still, but R and D, if yes, you save the money, but quality level is still very low. So usually, I suggest everyone, you should arrive to level 5. But each quarter, you just can go through one level. You cannot jump. You cannot say, okay, I put 200 or 300. So our previous level is just level 1. So we can immediately go to level 5. No, it's not. According to the competition rules, you should go step by step. Okay, in each quarter. Do you understand what I mean?
Yes, I understand what you mean. Thank you.
Okay. Now that's very important one. Salary rate. Okay, that's very good. That's the salary good. Okay. Dividends. Okay, dividends, that means the money we earn, because we earn the net profit, so we can use our part of our net profit, okay, to give to our shareholders, make them be happy. But the thing is, if you put too much dividends to our shareholders, that means you have less money go through next step for our operation, for our further production, to expand our scales, to buy more machines. Why? Because because the money, net profit money goes to shareholders. Shareholders are very happy and workers are very happy. But you know, less cash exists. So that means we should be careful about that. Okay. We need to give dividends to shareholders. But from my point of view, maybe in quarter 9, quarter 10, or quarter 11, maybe we'll not give money to the shareholders. We will put all the money, okay, into next stage, next quarters, go to next quarters, okay. And this is by trial bond. This is no good because our main task, our main business, our main business are doing production, okay, to produce for products and transport products to the market and sell products, okay, for our Kaisermetal customer, to other parts of neighbor customers, to Europeans, to Americans, okay, because because their products are all our neighbor pride products. So that means we need to concentrate our mind to produce product A, B, C, and rather than to do other business. Okay, so usually in my suggestion, this money, if you want to do something, because this means investment. But at the moment, our cash, we need to borrow cash, okay, through our corporate bonds. That means our company bonds to sell to the people who are interested our company, and we also need to borrow money from bank. Okay, so that means the cash is a rare resources. That means we should carefully use that. But how can we use our rare cash to do other business? So usually this item is zero. Okay, what I'm suggest is zero. Okay, so this one, yes, you put 100,000 there is good. Okay, but usually, I mean, in the previous quarters, should put all the cash, okay, to expand our company, to buy more machines. Okay, so this is the bank loans. Okay, but should remember, if you want to borrow money from bank, okay, in quarter 9, if you want to borrow money, yes, the money will lend to you, bank will lend to you, but with I think 2% interest. But that the cash with interest must be paid in the same term. That means you borrow money in term 9 to buy machines, but at the end of term 9, quarter 9, you must pay back to bank. And also, the bank also have trust for you, and not the bank will say, you want to buy money, because you want to buy money, so I will buy money to you. No. In our software, you have a limited amount to borrow money. So that means we should be careful. We should be careful to borrow money. Usually, we do not borrow money except some cash flows, dangerous happen. Okay, because but dependiture means business loan or cooperative loan. That our company, because our brand are very good, so we can sell our bonds to the investors. Okay, but we need to pay interest to the investors. Okay, so how can we using this one? Usually, according to our corporate financing books, machine means fixed asset. So that means we should use this money to buy machines. How many machines? 10 machines we want to buy? Okay, let me. Okay, you just buy one machine. No. Okay, CEO of 3 company. Oh no, you just buy one machine. You should buy, from my point of view, at least 30, 40, 50. Okay, you should buy machine. Okay, the money of buy machine should that money, for example, 60,000 one machine. If you want to buy one machine, so money will go through here, 60,000 there. If you want to buy 30 machines, so 30 times 30 times 60,000. So that's the total money we will put here. Why? Because we just following cooperate financing textbooks that told me to use okay, because that machine means fixed asset. Okay, that means we do not use our own money. That's net assets. We do not use our net assets to buy machine. Okay, if you do not put money there, that means you use your own cash, your own company cash to buy machine. No, no, no. Okay, we should use other people to help us operate our company. Okay. Okay. So so our three companies, CEO, okay, you buy machine to needle, should buy 10, should buy 30, should buy 40. Okay, should buy 40. Okay. Or you also so how can you buy material? Material, how many materials we need to buy should go through Lindu. Lindu will tell us how much money, how many materials we need. Okay, so this, no, I don't think you make a good decision. I don't think you make good, maybe you just copy from the quarter 8. You just copy that from quarter 8. I just said quarter 8 decision. That's okay. In terms of operation, okay, the planning given in quarter 8 is just ordinary unscientific planning. What we need to go through is scientifically planning, and we need to go through that. We should using our technology, using our brain, and combining with the knowledge giving, the rules giving, using our knowledge to make a good decisions. But the previous this decision are very bad, They just make a planning, but that's no good. So it's not optimal solution. It's just a solution, but not a reasonable solution. Even, okay, finally, it's not optimal solution. Now we try to make an optimal solution, but at least we should make optimal, a reasonable solution, feasible solution. We should make a feasible solution. Okay, okay. Try to approach it to optimal solution. No good, no good, no good, no good. This is no good, this is no good. But anyway, I think R&D, all of you understood. Now, how can we dealing with this? That's very tough because I think, okay, a couple of days I given to you. How can we make this? We need to go through Lindu. We go through Lindu. So now we need to go through. So now we need to go through to check how much machines we have, at the moment. Okay, in our term 9, we need to make a decision, but how much machines we have had. So we go through here. We should go through here 8. We should go through here. We should go through here and see what? To see our internal report. To see our internal reports. Okay, to see our products status, to see our 3 company status. Okay, here, workers, we have 200 workers. Machines, we have 100 machines. Okay, how about the raw materials? Raw materials, we have that. Okay, we have that already. Okay, so this condition, so okay, so this condition, okay, everyone, please, okay, before we make decision in term 9, first should age quarter 8 to see the status, to see, because we need to make spring season this year operations. Okay, what should we do? We should following the previous to see how much materials stored in our warehouse. Okay, how many machines operation in our factory. So now we can check, oh, we have 200 workers. We have 100 machines. Okay, how about the materials? Oh, we have that. Okay, please make data. Okay, please using your copy. Please use your hand. Please use your pen. Okay, write down that. In fact, put this material, okay, 200 workers, 100 machines, okay, 1 million, okay, 1,336,000, okay, yen, okay, that's our raw materials, okay. Now let's let us, okay, so this is rare resources. This is rare resources. Workers will go through the, okay, at the end, this is at the end of the quarter 8. Okay, so they will go through the quarter, they will go through the term 9. This is the term 8. Okay, last term will go through this term. So that means we should use this data. We should use this data and make a good production optimal production. Okay, so we should look at that. So we should, okay, so the our profit, okay, our net profit. Although we earned the profit, but no good. Okay, no good. Tax we paid, accumulated tax. So in our 3 company, your ranking at the moment is number 1. It's number 1. But through nice competition, your rank will be changed. Will be changed. Okay, now let's go through that to have our. You can see. So this is at the end of the quarter 9. You can see. So your workers is just 200. Okay, you can see now you are ranking in the location of ranking 5, but your machine is still 100. Ranking is number first. Okay, but your materials is ranking, okay, is in a ranking 2, but your cash, oh, no good. Okay, ranking is the 14th. Okay, so this is ranking. Okay, now anyway, now what we need to go through is, because the decision you made, okay, you just today no good, not good, very good, because we should scientifically make our planning. We should make our scientific planning. Okay. Okay, so this is ACE. Okay. What I want to say is, in each quarter we should submit a decision sheet based on previous quarter. Okay, then we submit our decision sheet. Okay, then after that if nice result is given, so according to the competition rule, we need go through the summer season based on our previous operations. So that means we need to go through, our company needs to go through, okay, go to next, okay, this year and the next year, I mean 2000 okay, 12. That means the winter. Okay, we need to go through that, but based on our our own operations. Okay, so how can we make a good decision? How can we make a good decision? First, we should look at what's going on in our side. Okay, we can see our products. We can see our products. Okay, that's defective. That means bad. Okay, bad products. 5% bad products. Okay, that means okay product status. Okay, and we can also see some things. Okay, see some things. Okay. And so I just said that in term A's, that's the initial condition given. That's the initial condition given. Okay. Okay, so this is the previous condition. This is previous condition. So this is our operations. Product A and B are produced. Just product A and B. Product C and D not allowed. Why? Because we have not put R and D there. So this is the previous condition. Through this, product A is produced. Okay, how many products A produced? 200 plus 60 plus 130. Okay, so that's total is 200. Okay, so we need to write down. Okay, how many products produce? Okay, in term in term 8. Okay, for product A, 260 plus 130. Okay, that means 390 products A are produced. But according to the rule, just 75 products produced in this term can be transported, okay, into the market. Other 25% will be stored in Kathmandu because our factory located in Kathmandu. So for product A, in quarter 8, 390 products A produced. Product A. How about our product B? Product B, okay, 130 plus 364. So that means 194 product B are produced. So that means 75 times 194. So this money can be transported into the market. But the other 25%, that means 0.25 times 195. And 194 will be stored in the Kathmandu factory. So that means we have different warehouse. Some warehouse in the market. In each market we have a warehouse. Okay. For product A, we have a market. We have a warehouse. Okay. For product B, we have a warehouse. Okay, in different markets. Okay, for product C, product D, we have markets. Okay, but in our factory, we also have a warehouse to store. Okay, 25% products produced in this quarter. Okay, because why? Because this is the rule said. The rule told us. The rule, we must familiar with the rule. The rule told us like that. Okay, so this is 8. So this is 8 quarters. Okay, decision sheet. So now let's move to the this one, our sheet 9. We just said we just have 200 workers and 100 machines, and now we need to make our decisions for producing product A, B, C, and D. Okay. Oh, it's hard for me to give an explanation. So how about our fellows? How about Gavinda and Apollo? So I think I needed to
Yeah. It's
relax
good. So
5
I think,
minutes. 5 minutes
yeah.
because we
Yeah.
truly win. Because at the
So may,
moment, we just our company, our three company just